Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Tyagi. Welcome to our channel. Here, you would be learning the concepts of Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, Power Automate, JavaScript, plugins, and many other concepts. So today, in this video, using the Microsoft Teams connector in Power Automate flow, we would be sending the Teams notification. So, this video is the second part of our video in which we send the Outlook notification to the owner of a lead when the lead is assigned to him. Now, in this video, instead of Outlook notification, we would be sending the Teams notification to the owner of lead when a lead is assigned to him. So now, let us go to the Power Apps page and open our existing Power Automate flow. So this is the Power Automate flow that we have created previously. So let us take a look on this. So the trigger is when a lead is added or modified, or if modified, the owner ID field should have to be updated to get this Power Automate flow trigger. After that, we are getting the record of the owner of the lead. And in the initialize variable, we are creating the record URL of the lead. So one thing we can also update in this is my organization URL, and when I would be moving this to our other environment, then we would be creating another environment variable uh, storing the organization URL, and we can also use that. So this is the record URL. Then previously we sent the Outlook notification to the owner of the lead. So now, instead of Outlook notification, we would be sending the Teams notification. So let me delete this. So here, I would be searching for Teams. Under Microsoft Teams connector, we would be having an action that is post a message in a chat or channel. Post message in a chat or channel. Let us select this. Select post as flowboard. Post in as chat with flowboard. Now you should enter the email address of the recipient, whether you can enter it hard coded, like if you write Anurag, you would be getting a suggestion and you can select this. Else semicolon separated, you can select multiple users also, like this. But now, in my case, I want to send this notification to the owner of the lead. So I would be selecting the primary email of the owner of the lead. So this is the primary email to the owner of lead. And now I'm writing the message that is, hi, new lead is assigned to you. Click on the below link go to the record. Now here I would be entering the lead link. So let us click on this link icon, and link title would be click here. And now for now you can add the link target as test.com and click on add. Now you can add further message you want, like regards CRM system, and now entering the correct link here. So you would click on this code view, and here you can replace your URL as I want to add the record URL here. And now if you want to show the notification in the activity feeds of Teams, you have to select is alert as yes. Now you will also get a notification in the activity feeds of the Teams. So let's save it, click on test, and I would be testing it manually. So now for test this, I'm in my CRM lead form and I'm going to create a new lead. So I'm giving the name as 100 iPhones, giving the first name as Kanishka, last name as Sharma, and the owner of this lead is me. So I'm clicking on save. So now our Power Automate flow will get triggered and a Teams notification is received to me. So if I go to the run, Power Automate flow runs successfully with the record URL. A Teams notification is sent to me, and as I set the is alert as yes, so I would also be getting the notification in activity feed. So let's go to Teams. So see uh, here, and I got the notification saying that the new lead is assigned to you. Click on the below link to go to the lead record. If I click here, so this link take me to the lead record, and I also got the notification in the activity feed also. So hope this helps. Thank you.